Bro, oh my god, so there's this girl, right?
Look.
Okay. So, I'm with, okay. Alright, we're on our way to Great Mall to get Leah. Do you want me to put your tag thing, like your Instagram? Yeah? We're gonna eat, because I'm hungry! So I'm craving some dick! Ooh! So we're waiting for Leah, you know.
You know.
What the fuck? So hungry! Alright, so we're gonna go get Leah. Leah's here. Yeah. Making moves. Oh my god, that shit's so annoying. I'm supposed to See, I knew it was your turn. I knew it. Hell yeah. This part of the video, I had to change the background music because we were turning up to Ariana Grande song, and I don't want copyrights on my video, so I had to change it. That's it. She was slapping. Ooh, she's ooh. Hey, get a piercing today. Let's go. Let's go. Fuck it. She's workaholic. Alright, so we're gonna get pierced today. Kay's over there. I don't know what the fuck she's.
Are they gonna set and change mine?
Which one?
The 29.
31. Hannah!
Where should I put? Like right here and right here?
Yeah.
You're doing great, sweetie.
I'm scared. No.
Oh, that one.
Let's go. You already know. Yeah. Ooh, Kay's about to get hers too. Scared.
Oh, yeah.
We went to get Chipotle, and Kami, I don't know if you guys know her, but like she was working, and I got 2 bowls for $5.
Yup, I got mine for like $2.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, shout out to Kami, bro.
You're a real one.
Right, so we got another now.
Hookup number 2.
Hookup number 2. Shout out to Van. So my car just started fucking smoking.
D.
Please leave your message.
Oh my god, we don't know who to call.
No one's coming.
We're
scared. It was hella smoking, bro.
Dude, it was like a lot.
Dude, she hella freaked me out because she saw the smoke. She stopped, and then Hannah was like, "Get out the car! Get out the car!" And I was like, "Hannah!"
Well, yeah, it could have exploded. Karma does come around, bro.
We got like free shit, and then
We got free food, free everything, and like
drinks, bro.
my car just stopped.
Cause we got the
working.
hookups. Next thing you know, Hannah's car. Damn, bro, this dude riding a red. See that? It's dangerous out here. I'm scared.
Oh my god, dude, Dexter just gave up on me, man. Dude, that smoke was like a lot.
So bad,
Did you
man.
see it? It was like up. Oh, that shit was a lot, bro.
on the
Oh,
sidewalk.
I'm like stressing out.
You know, we got our shit piers, you know.
I know.
Oh, it
Things
was a
were
good
doing so
day.
good.
Good day.
I really thought it was gonna be a good day too.
Mhm.
Honestly, there's always something that goes out, you know. We're waiting for D because D is gonna get us. And then... You're really vlogging this. This is D. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Dude, I always watch your videos.
Stop
I'm
it.
a big fan.
Stop
You guys don't get blinded by this?
it. No, we're used to it.
I'm like, hey guys, what's up? It's me.
See, back at you in a minute. Oh my god, you know she tried to shoot her shot yesterday?
You?
Me?
Yeah.
To who?
Wait, you're like, which one?
No,
Had.
I
It's
know.
2019. Be bold.
I said,
I don't like her.
I said A blank, and she was like, yeah, and then I was like, by the way, my friend trying to slide, you know what I'm saying? And then she was like, oh, who? And I was like, oh, but she a girl, so I don't know if you into that, right? And then she was like, yeah.
Oh, you're going into this not knowing if she swings that way or
Yeah,
not?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So, and then she was like, yeah, I don't know about that, but like, who is she, right? And then so I added hand. No, for real, she was crushing, no lie.
No.
She didn't even care if she was taller, bro. Us would never.
No, yeah,
ever,
us is team no.
No, she would never, even know how pretty the girl is.
Dude, for real.
She would ask her to get surgery to get like.
Oh my gosh, I have this one new coworker. He's a guy. He's Asian. And before like I met him, he was like walking around the store with his friend. I heard him say the N-word. Should I report him? Should I report him?
Yeah.
I was like, oh, you're the new guy.
I was like, you better get fired.
But me.
So are you gonna make your videos have ads now? Do I have to wait 5 seconds?
No, but then you make money for
Yeah, you
like
make money.
ads.
The first video without your drip too hard, I was so sad. I was like, ooh, gonna sing along. Gonna sing along with it. I was like, drip too hard. I was waiting for it, and I was like, what the fuck?
No, I gotta change it now. That's why I have the vlog thing. Well, you know what Austin? Austin just singing. Hella ghetto.
You just hear. Too hard, don't stand too close.
Ew.
And she gets the lyrics wrong. Off this ride.
You gotta do most likely to. Just between you two. Like I'll ask the questions and then you.
Okay, go.
Okay, most likely to get caught shoplifting.
Hannah.
Oh
No
my
question.
god.
Okay, most likely to miss their class.
Lee.
Lee's.
Lee's.
I was like, I don't know between you
I'll
two.
give
Lee's
that one.
like
I'll give that
every
one.
day.
Most likely to get high faster.
Oh.
Me, I get high faster.
Oh yeah. I don't get
I'm a
high.
lightweight.
I don't get high.
Most likely to get famous. Also, you both have your chances, bro. You might get famous
You
together.
know, there was one time I asked Lee if she wanted to be if I should change my name to Han and Lee.
Oh, like partners?
Yeah.
Like, oh, that's pretty cute.
And then Lee was like, no, bro.
And then, like,
No, because it's her thing, you know?
most likely to send nudes.
What? Lee, bro. I don't have a girlfriend, Lee.
Oh, that's true.
I don't want to lie to my viewers.
Yeah, see?
Most likely to shoot their shot.
Hannah.
Lee.
No, I never shoot my shot. I've never shot my shot. I've never shot my shot. You have!
No.
Like, I've never shot my shot for myself.
Am I losing?
Yes.
Yeah. You're doing all these, bro.
Fuck.
Most likely to get married first.
Lee.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, most likely to have a kid first.
Lee.
Me, definitely.
Most likely to go to jail.
Hannah,
Me.
definitely. She does way more illegal stuff.
Tell them how we got closer and stuff.
How we met is so funny. Okay. Story time. It was freshman year. Me and Hans freshman year. We had the same PE period.
Oh, you're high.
Fifth period.
Oh fuck, I'm high.
But we had PE together, not the same class,
think
but
it
the same
was second.
period. Oh, I think that's right.
Yeah.
And then we were like on the same like side of the locker rooms together. Like her locker was like 5 lockers away from me. This one day, in the corner of my eye, I see some bitch struggling. I'm like, dude, you didn't do this during.
Bro, I was beating up my locker.
I was like, this bitch didn't practice in middle school or something. Yeah, I see this girl struggling to get her locker open. And I'm like, oh, yikes. And she goes, I can't even say it.
What did I say?
She says, hey. I can't say it.
Did I say excuse me?
No, yeah, you're like, excuse me? Did you help me open my locker? And I was like, whatever. No, I'm playing. I helped her, of course.
Oh my god, I remember when it was swimming unit, there was this girl. Remember the girl?
Oh
Bro, this bitch was full on naked, like top to bottom.
No, yeah. In the swimming unit, you're always trying your best to cover up your
Yeah,
freaking
everybody
titties
was
and
like-
your you know what. But this girl, oh my gosh, she was not afraid.
Bro, she didn't give
No,
a
she let that
fuck.
Forrest out, bro. She said, "Run, Forrest, run." So she was straight up showing her whole body.
Remember, I was like, DD.
No, I was like, oh, I know. She wasn't even afraid to hide it. She was like walking around. She was like, "You feel a breeze in here?"
Bro,
I'm like,
the forests were everywhere.
No, I'm like
I was like,
traumatized.
nature.
Dude, for real.
Tell them about Leah.
I was her biggest fan. Oh my god.
Dude, we were
remember?
each other's biggest fan.
Dude, okay, so there's this. Whenever she would say anything, I would laugh at it.
No, literally, I would breathe and Leah would die.
I used to think, oh my god, dude, she was like the funniest person.
Yeah, I don't know how me and Lee met. Yeah, we just randomly met because of basketball. She really was my biggest
Oh my
fan.
god, dude, you guys should have been there. All her jokes hit, man.
No, literally. She'd make eye contact with me and laugh.
I
I'm
would
like, I
cry,
just got
too.
here. No, yeah.
You'd be like, what I said, and then I'll be just like, you know what you said. You're like, I was silent the whole time. And I was like, yeah, but in your head.
I know you're coming up with something fire.
I just knew.
I had to
I knew the
pre-laugh.
joke
I had
was
to
gonna
pre-laugh. Nah,
Bro, remember freshman year when everyone was fucking gay?
not me. I was the friends of the gays.
Do you ever like think about it?
No.
Really?
But like, cause like so many of you guys were gay and I was friends with you guys, my family started thinking I was.
Oh.
They're like, dang, are you gay too? And I was like, no, I'm just friends with them.
Friends of the gays.
I'm afraid.
Cut
that out. Cut that out.
Please,
Bro,
please.
I feel like since everyone was gay, everyone just don't wanted to be gay, but they weren't even gay.
Dude, yeah.
Like-
Ooh.
Just
Is
Yeah,
that who
that's-
you've been
that's
talking about in your
who.
vlog?
That is
I'm like, who the hell
who.
could have snaked her?
if you can't guess it, no one could guess. Cause then,
Yeah, I was like,
She's
I
probably
would probably watching the vlog. Like, oh, I wonder. Should I comment down below my thoughts? What the hell happened?
I saw that shit and I was like, bro, like what the?
Dang, that's hella weird.
Yeah.
That's sus.
She just